Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun.
Hello, my dear kids. Let's learn some colors. Gray color, plum color, red color, lavender color, maroon color, light green color, violet color. Small A for avocado. Small B for bell. Small C for candle. Small D for dinosaur. Small E for escalator. Small F for face. Small G for giraffe. Small H for hair. Small I for ice cream. Small J for jelly. Small K for kiwi. Small L for lemon. Small M for medal. Small N for nest. Small O for orange. Small P for peacock. Small Q for queen. Small R for robot. Small S for skeleton. Small T for teacher. Small U for unicorn. Small V for vegetables. Small W for watch. Small X for Xerox. Small Y for yarn. Small Z for zebra.
Subscribe.